Hello! Today we're connecting booking instances with a dynamic map, so when users hover over a listing, its pop-up appears right over the property's location. It's a simple setup that makes browsing properties feel interactive and alive. Let's see how to build it. I'll demonstrate this feature on a site whose front end is built with Elementor, but the setup applies just as well to other major builders. The plugin responsible for this feature is JetEngine, though this project also relies on JetBooking, JetSmartFilters, and a few others. To make this work, you'll also need to have JetEngine's Maps listing module activated and a map provider connected, as always when you want to show locations of listings based on their address fields. Here I have a property rental site with a custom post type called Properties. Among other data, it includes address in a dedicated meta field. I've already created two listing templates for this CPT. The first one is called Map Item. It defines how each property appears in the map pop-up. This pop-up shows when you click on the map pin or hover over the same item in the listing grid, which is exactly what we're setting up today. Inside this listing, I'm using JetEngine's dynamic widgets like dynamic field, dynamic image, dynamic term, and dynamic link to pull data directly from post meta and custom fields. You can also use widgets from other CrocoBlock plugins like JetReviews or even native WordPress builder widgets that support dynamic sources. Let's open this listing settings by clicking the gear icon in the top panel. In the listing settings section, you can see that the default setup links the item to the single post template of the same CPT, because the Make Listing Item Clickable toggle is enabled and the link source is set to permalink. The second listing is the one that will be displayed in the grid. It also uses various dynamic widgets, but note that the heading, the property name, is built with the dynamic link widget. Its source is set to permalink, so when clicked it opens the property's single page. The label uses a macro to display the post title dynamically. Now let's open the listing settings for this template and change the link source to the magic option that makes this setup work. Open Map Listing pop-up on hover. That's it, save this listing. Next, let's head over to the page where both listing widgets are placed. We've got the listing grid and the map listing side by side. Both target our properties CPT, but through different templates. For the map, select the map item template and specify the field name that stores your property address. You can also customize the map view and listing appearance, set the pin style, define pop-up size and layout, or even make the pin dynamic, like showing the property's user ratings or price instead of an icon. Now for the listing grid, select your grid template and adjust its layout and styling as you like. As for connecting it with the map, there's nothing extra to do. JetEngine automatically links them based on the shared post type. Click Update and let's check it on the front end. Here's the result. When you hover over a listing in the grid, the map centers on that property's pin and the pop-up appears immediately. Clicking doesn't really change anything, but if you find a property you like, just click the title, which is displayed using a widget with its own source settings, or the pop-up on the map, and you'll go straight to its single page. That's it, a powerful feature made incredibly simple with JetEngine. Hope you'll use it in your own booking projects. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.